Hey there everyone, this is Matt. Today we are in Manhattan. It's a busy day and walking at a very brisk pace, so let's see how this goes. So far there's been no more firmware updates to the DJI Osmo Pocket, and the face tracking and face focus has been like an issue. It's been pretty much an issue. Alright, so the first time I made a video outside, I had this on, and it's a possibility that this could confuse what's going on with the camera, and it thinks, oh, maybe it's not focusing on a face. So let's give it a try. Alright, so this is normal, and it looks pretty much the same. There's no guarantee with a screen this size that anything is going to be in focus, which this should be in focus, not anything in the background. But the one thing I was thinking is, I think it's using a lot of light to focus. So if you have something really bright in the background, like all of this, it's going to try and focus on that more than your face if you happen to be in a shadow. So we're just going to have to try this out, hopefully not get by a car, because these people should be stopping. And as we navigate through the city, again, walking at a brisk pace, so I am moving with a little bit of a bounce in my step. So we'll see if that affects, the movement of the camera, the focusing at all, because in the first video that I did, I called this the best vlogging camera ever. And in all reality, it is. Right now, I'm on the follow feature, so as I move this, it's not really going to move. It's going to try and stay with the face. The face tracking has not engaged, by the way. And for some reason, sometimes you have to cycle through the three options: the FPV, the tilt, and then finally this one. And sometimes it engages. I don't think that has anything to do with the face focusing or following, but it's just one more thing that they just have to update. But I seem to be trying to get myself into focus as much as I can. I'm trying to make this, a long video as I can. It is freezing, my hand is frozen right now. But this is just to see how movement is captured here. Let's see if we can swing around, slowly capturing my face, and swing back. Yeah, outside of the focusing issue, this is seriously my favorite vlogging camera, because it's holding this tiny piece, this thing that can be recharged with USB-C. There's gonna be so many little accessories released for this, so we'll really see how it goes. Right now it's super windy, so if the volume or the audio is bad, what can you do at this point? It's super windy. But I know they have made a lot of leaps and bounds with the audio. It is no longer terrible, which makes me happy. And let's say I'm holding this about, not a full arm's length away, but, kind of close. So, yeah, I think I'm going to put this down because my hand is freezing, or maybe just switch hands. But I'm not really sure that taking off the sunglasses and hood really do anything. Again, with the screen this small, and when you don't hook it up to either your Android phone with USB-C or your iPhone with Lightning connector, you're just not going to know because the screen is too small. So again, I'd say this is the best. Even with these issues, it is the best vlogging camera that I have ever used. So give it a try. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. If you want to subscribe, we'll be doing more videos like this and using this camera just to do all types of filming, because this is beating my DSLR and my iPhone hands down. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go warm up, and I'll see you guys next time. Whew.